Hello everyone. Today we learn the steps of Kennedy pathway. Glycerol 3-phosphate is the precursor to the glycerol backbone of the phospholipid and can be derived from the glycolysis. Glycerol 3-phosphate receives its first fatty acid to form lysophosphatidic acid. Second fatty acid is added to the lysophosphatidic acid to form phosphatidic acid. Phosphate group is removed from phosphatidic acid to form diacylglycerol by the enzyme phosphatidic acid phosphatase. Polar head groups are attached to the CTP to form CDP activated head groups. Diacylglycerol is activated by binding to the CDP activated head groups to form final phospholipids. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.